Have you ever wanted to create a new Google Sheet for work or school, and as you create a new template, you are bombarded with Google's confusing formats? Sheet SL is a way to revolutionize and simplify the process of creating Google Sheet for those who want to be productive. With Sheet SL, one can simply write down a list of expense they want to track, and it will return a simple Google spreadsheet for fast, easy, and instant use. Together, we designed our first prototype of Grammar and started user testing. We recruited 2 anonymous testers, asked them to produce a task given the grammar. We found that users were generally able to successfully write the correct grammar for the intended results in a fast time. Both users were able to finish the task fairly quickly. Upon asking for feedback, user 2 noted that they felt the quotations in the language was confusing. Specifically, they mentioned how they were unsure when to place quotations and when not to. And then we got feedback from the TA, instructors of the course, recommending to us to not use JSON-like format for our language, because people without coding experience may have difficulty writing JSON. This meant that we had to restructure our format for the language to a new one, and after countless midterms, projects, and assignments in between, we were able to remake the structure of the language. After learning Google Sheet API, we start our implementation at Azure. Sheet SL has 4 major functionalities: monthly budget, budget trending, projected budget, and course tracker. For monthly budget, Sheet SL allows users to first add columns of expense types, then announce budget limit for any specified columns, and track expense of the columns, which will be summarized and highlighted on the side of the sheet. Then a budget sheet will be created for the later input from users. Once users have enough expense data for months, it's time to create budget trending sheets. The user only needs to specify the range of months and the expense type they want to track. Monthly budget sheets will then be summarized into a column of the budget trending sheet. Sheet SL then creates cells in red that shows how much the user go over the limit in a month, or a cell in green if you actually have some budget left. Once users see the summarized expense of last month, they may start planning for next month. Projected sheets cover it for users. Users can add budgets for each type of expense, and their expected income as well as balance. Sheet SL will help users to predict the net income earned and the account balance at the end of the month. Sheet SL is not only about budgets, it even helps student user to calculate and predict their final grade of the course. By importing the grading scheme of the course and adding the goal of the grade, Sheet SL will create a simple sheet that allows you to track the grade you earned so far and helps you to predict how far you are from the goal you set. Thanks for you listening. You are welcome to try our revolutionary Sheet SL.